What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're just going to be going over some technicals for Baby Doge, talking about how we knew it was going down to these levels. If you watched the video from yesterday and the previous days, I talk about the 2.8, 2.7 level like a lot in those videos. So definitely check it out. And anyways, we're going to talk about where Baby Doge is going to be going next after this. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely go ahead and sign up for the MEXC Global link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's get straight to it though. So look at the Baby Doge price action that we have here. Watch the video from yesterday. Watch the one before that. You will see everything I'm talking about here. I was talking about how we were going to come back and pull back down to these levels because look, whenever we have these green areas, it pretty much shows more demand. It pretty much acts as our support. So I knew that's where we're going to head to because all these red areas pretty much show that we have a lot of resistance with Baby Doge. Since we had a lot of resistance, it was inevitable that we pulled back to these levels here. So now that we're back here and we just now retested these levels, if we continue to stay in the red in these levels, if these levels continue to stay red and they do not go green, and if we continue to go sideways from here, then you will see Baby Doge eventually pull down to 2.5. Now, if Baby Doge pulls down to 2.5, and then we'll go over where it'll go after that. But right now, what we really want to look at is the possibility for Baby Doge to rise from here. So there still is a possibility for Baby Doge to go back up to 3.2. But remember, everything inside the crypto market just kind of crashed, even in the stock market. So it's not just crypto. Everything took a major dive downwards. So that's what we're getting right now in the whole overall market. So it was definitely expected. In order for us to get these large rises in price, we definitely need these pullbacks in order to build that momentum up. So what we see right now with these pullbacks, the bears, they're in control, the 24-hour market control now by 60%. And mind you, we're looking at the 4-hour chart. So we're really looking at the long-term chart here. So right now we need to see Baby Doge continue to maybe take another dip further down here to about 2.5. Because look, if we hit 2.5, that's going to be a lot of momentum. People are going to be buying that dip up, and there's just going to be a lot of momentum for Baby Doge to move on the upside if we go down. Now, since this is the 4-hour chart, is showing more of a long-term chart. But if we look at the 15-minute chart as well, you can still see that there still is potential for us to continue to go down on the downtrend here. So I'm not completely bearish with Baby Doge, but you got to look at the facts here. The 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. So I still believe Baby Doge is about to break out soon. Baby Doge is going to take off soon. When I say soon, it doesn't mean today. It doesn't mean tomorrow. It doesn't mean next week. It just means Baby Doge is going to take off soon within a month, 2 months, 3 months. That's pretty soon inside of crypto because crypto moves so fast. So literally within like 2 months or so, you could see Baby Doge like 5x from here, like 3 months from now. Like, it's crazy. Anything can happen in the crypto market at this point. But anyways, these red areas right here pretty much show that we have some resistance. So you're seeing some resistance in Baby Doge. So what you're more than likely going to see, if we cannot get back above 3.0, we will take that pullback back down to probably like 2.7 and then eventually 2.5, because we got pretty close already. We got down to about 2.8, but we still have the potential to continue to go down on the downtrend here in Baby Doge. Now, that's pretty much all I have for the technicals. Like I said, it's just going to be a short little video updating and letting you all know that the predictions that we made yesterday and the days before that, it all came true. We knew it was going to happen like this. People were like, I don't know, it might take off. But no, I said it's going to take off soon. Doesn't mean in a day. Just you got to wait for these pullbacks. Even though I said it's going to take off soon, I mentioned that we were going to have these pullbacks. Like, just go back and watch those videos. I mentioned these pullbacks are going to happen, even though we're going to take off soon. Just wait a few months, and Baby Doge is going to be worth way more than what it's worth now. Anyways, moving on from there, you can see the whole market is pretty much down inside of crypto. We got Baby Doge down 7.6% and 10% for the last 7 days. So not too bad, but I mean, it's still a lot of losses in the whole overall crypto market. So also, we have more news over here. We're literally almost past that 1.5 million holders area. Like, if you include all the Ethereum wallets as well, we're past 1.5 million holders. But not including the Ethereum, we're only at 1,495,940 holders. So that's still pretty significant. But yeah, it's a lot of holders. Once we actually hit 1.5 million on Binance Smart Chain, that's going to be a really big goal for us. Now, also, Look over here, we got 10 million insider trading volume, 11.56 million in coins burned today, 1.48K new holders. And I just wanted to mention, like, we are having a lot of people buying into Baby Doge. There's a lot of whales buying into Baby Doge. Like, if you look at this, the whales are buying. Like, the smaller wallets, like the little retail traders, they're really the ones that are selling. Like, if you look over here, it shows the whales are adding to their wallets. So in total, about $244,000 was added into whale wallets, which is about a lot of Baby Doge. Like, I don't even know how many Baby Doge. It says 82 billion, but that's more like 82 trillion. It's just a little typo. But yeah, about 244,000 in the largest whales have included to their wallets, about $244,000. Now that's between sales and buys. That's the average amount of Baby Doge added to the wallet. None was sold on average. On average, $244,000 was added total. So that's huge. And then for the other whales that are smaller than the humpback whales, just normal whales, they added about $763 in total. Like, out of the average of all the buys and sales, $763 got added to all the whale wallets out of the average. So that also shows you that even though they're not buying a lot, they're still not selling as much as you would think. Like, for every million or for every trillion Baby Doge that gets sold by one of these whales, about 1.5 trillion gets purchased. That's pretty much what it's showing there. And the sharks are the smaller whales with about $100,000 in their accounts, 500,000. It's pretty much any whale from like 100,000 to $700,000 in their account. That is pretty much what the sharks are. And the sharks here added about $43,000 total collectively throughout all of the different sharks in Baby Doge. In total, $288,000 was added to Baby Doge wallets on average. So nothing like left Baby Doge, technically nothing left. So $288,000 was added into Baby Doge. Now, probably like, why is it dropping then? That's because this is not updated yet. This has been updated, but it needs to update in another 15 hours. So you got to think this is about 7 hours behind or 8 hours behind. And we did have some major drops within those past 8 hours. But it still kind of shows you the direction that Baby Doge is moving, because these are updated. And when you look over here at the whales, you see the whales are still buying a good amount of Baby Doge. Like, that's a lot of Baby Doge right there. 52.49 trillion Baby Doge purchased from this whale. So that's a lot. This is not an exchange. This is a regular whale just holding a bunch of Baby Doge, which is $4.8 million. They just now added another 156K to their Baby Doge account. There's way more buys than sales. 24 trillion here, which is 73K. Yeah, we got 6.99 trillion sold, which is 20K sold. But out of all of these purchases, like, it just doesn't compare with all the sales. Like, 30.58 trillion is nothing compared to the huge purchase that we had all the way back here, which was the 52.49 trillion plus the 24.57 trillion plus 6.57. Yeah, we're getting more money coming into Baby Doge than leaving. Now, obviously, within the last few hours, yes, Baby Doge has been selling out. You can see here with this major drop. But this is when you're going to have people coming in to buy the dips. And that's why I said, in order for people to buy dips inside of Baby Doge, we need a pullback to build that momentum. That's why we pulled all the way back to here. And now, eventually, we're going to end up way back here at 2.5. So if this keeps happening, you're going to see Baby Doge pull back to 2.5. So that's what you can expect for Baby Doge coming up pretty soon. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want 10% off all your trading fees, definitely go ahead and sign up for MEXC Global, link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.